The trend Anydoor butt hinge template kit is designed to hang any door up to 9 feet high and 1 3/8 to 2.5 inch thick using a modular design that allows square, 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch radius hinges to be fitted anywhere along the door edge. Fast assembly and adjustments allow the Anydoor to fit doors to high-quality professional standards with precision, speed, and ease. The trend Anydoor jig comes in a high-quality fitted case for secure storage and transportation to the job site. The pre-assembled components slide together and are secured with the machine screws. Additional rails interconnect the pre-assembled sections to allow the jig to cover all door sizes. Each hinge block can travel past the connectors, allowing unrestricted positioning along the jig. Built-in 2mm setting gauges automatically set the correct hinge length and works with square, 1/4 inch, and 5/8 inch radius hinges. Square corner hinges use the supplied template guide and cutter, plus the corner chisel to square the corner up. Quarter-inch radius hinge recesses require just the cutter and template guide combination. Adapters are supplied to make the 5/8 inch radius hinge recesses. The top hinge can be set 5 inches from the top of the door. Edge guide discs allow the hinge leaf to be set at any depth from 1/2 inch up to 2.25 inch from the door edge or into 4 preset positions of 1 1/8, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, and 2 inches. The supplied 2-part template guide is designed to fit directly into USA-style routers and cordless models with a suitable base plate and the supplied 1/2 inch diameter cutter. Hinge blocks can easily be removed or inserted to suit the number of hinges required per door. Mark the door with the hinge positions. Set the edge guide discs to suit your required hinge inset and position the discs to the edge of the door once set. The top plate hooks over the door to set the clearance gap for the top of the door. Move each block up to the marked position and tighten off. The blocks can be secured with the supplied bradawls or wood screws. Use the hinge to set the correct length, bringing up the second block and tightening off, then securing with a bradawl or screw. Set the leaf depth by zeroing the cutter to the door edge and using the turret stop. Route each recess and remove the jig. Use a drill bit guide to ensure the screws sit perfectly central to the countersinks. Rotate the top plate and position the jig into the door opening with the plate tight to the head. The jig can be used with architraves and door stops up to 1 inch thick in place. Route the positions into the door jamb. Hang the door to achieve a perfect fit every time.